여러분 안녕하세요. Welcome back to K-Learn Korean Language Training. Once again, Gerard here. So for today's video, another manufacturing tools, okay? Updated manufacturing tools. Um, manufacturing middle, okay? Ang title niya is manufacturing middle. Okay, so number one tool is gasuket. Gasuket is gasket. Okay. Next is baisu, baisu or vice. Number two, baisu or vice. Okay. And then supyonggi, supyonggi is spirit level. Supyonggi, spirit level. And then number four is chogweson undugye. Chogweson undugye. Infrared thermometer. Okay. And then number five is kulempu. Kulempu is clamp. Kulempu is clamp. And then number six, suichi. Suichi is switch. Suichi. Okay. These are the manufacturing updated tools, middle. And then, kung napansin nyo, English lang sila ginawa lang Korean or pinantig lang sila in Korean like gasuket, baisu, kulempu, di ba? Supyonggi, halos suichi, halos pareho lang din. Okay? So once again, these are updated manufacturing tools, middle. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Save this video, share it to your friends para updated sila dun sa mga bagong update ni HRD Korea na magagamit nyo rin para mapasa sa exam. Again, this is Gerard, 4-time CPS SAPIC exam passer. If you enjoy my videos or learn something about my videos, you can follow me or share my videos. You can also find me in the Blue app, K-Learn Korean Language Training. Once again, we are not agency. Okay? Kami po ay nagtuturo lamang ng Korean language at tinutulungan yung mga aspirant na mapadali yung process. Okay? Thank you for watching the video. Once again, Gerard here, 4 times EPS SAPIC exam passer. Kung gusto nyo mag-aral, magpa-assist sa akin, pwede po. Okay? So regarding sa EPS topic like picture resize, passport appointment, etc. Okay? Online appointment, it's okay. So once again, thank you so much for watching my video. Humaba na siya. Until next time po. Thank you.